Hey, Johncrestani here, affiliate marketer, multimillionaire, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get accepted by any affiliate network in this video. I'm going to walk you through my process. I'm going to give you access to a sheet that you can reference, going over all the different ways that I recommend for you to do to get accepted to affiliate networks, no matter what country you are from, no matter what age you are, no matter how you want to get paid, whether it's through Bitcoin or Payoneer or PayPal or wire or check or whatever that is. I'll be going over all this stuff and giving you access to this file in this video so that you can start making money online. Let's get it. Hey, Johncrestani here, and I'm going to be walking you through how to get accepted for affiliate networks in this video. So I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 12 years. I've made tens of millions of dollars with affiliate marketing. I've been very successful at it, been able to afford a nice life for myself, and I've just been on all sides of the industry. I've owned my own network as well for a period of about 2 years, but I'll be walking you through how to get accepted for affiliate networks. And if you want to follow along and apply to other affiliate networks, go to this link on the screen right now, Johncrestani.com/networks. What I'm going to be showing you, you can get accepted to these networks no matter what age you are, no matter what country you live in, no matter how much money you have, no matter how much time you have to do a marketing business, no matter how many skills or whatever else you have. You don't need any of that stuff to get accepted to affiliate networks. You can get into at least one affiliate network, and I'll be showing you how. As you see, most of the affiliate networks that I go over don't have any exclusions. You'll see most of them have none. So anybody from anywhere in the world can apply there. Any age can get accepted, and there's just a bunch of affiliate networks out there. There's literally hundreds, but what we're concerned with is how to get accepted. And the resource for how to get accepted, you'll want to go down to this tab in the sheet. You'll want to go to this link right here, Johncrestani.com/networks. Go down to the resources tab once you're in that sheet, and then you have this little link over here which says how to get accepted as an affiliate. And this is the document that we're going to be going through during this video. So here are some tips. First off, you need to know what niche you're going into. If you don't know what niche you're going into, then I would suggest just pick something, okay? Say you're going to do mobile apps is a very easy niche to start on because you only make about $1 each time somebody installs an app that you recommend. This is a great place to start. There are many offers for mobile apps, and it's great for people who don't have a lot of money and want a really easy way to get into affiliate marketing. It's very easy to get somebody to install a free application, and then you earn $1. And great trade-off. The second tip I have is know the specific traffic source that you will be using. Pop traffic is a very cheap and cost-effective way to do advertising. Again, you kind of have to know how to work that traffic source. There's a lot of problems there. Or you could just say social. Okay, you'll just say you get social traffic, which usually many affiliate networks interpret as you are doing Facebook somehow. Social and mobile apps is just a great place to start. But if you're doing a particular niche, make sure you stick to that. Make sure you follow through and you talk to your affiliate manager about doing that niche. They only get paid if you make sales. So they're not going to accept you to the affiliate network if they think you have no clue on what you're doing or what you want to do or what type of offers you want. Because likely what you'll do is you'll end up asking, this is what hundreds of thousands of affiliate marketers want to do, is they just want to message their affiliate manager, ask them 1,000 questions, and then never send any sales or any clicks and traffic. That leaves their affiliate manager with no money, having wasted a lot of their time. Affiliate managers will make about 10% of what you do. So if you make $10, the affiliate manager makes $1. If you make $0, the affiliate manager makes $0, and they want to avoid accepting affiliates who are not going to make any money and have no idea what they're doing. Another good thing to do is many affiliate networks will ask you how much traffic you are going to send. And you may have no traffic right now, but if you were doing pop-ups, for instance, each click only costs about 1/10 of a penny. So if you have a budget of $1, you can actually get about maybe 1,000 visitors for $1 on pop-up traffic. So anybody can send traffic, and just let them know how much traffic you intend to send, even if you don't have any current traffic right now. Keep in mind, many affiliate marketers are buying ads. So it's not unreasonable to have no traffic right now, but being able to send a lot of traffic once you get your ad campaigns going. The next tip number 7, is have a website. If you don't have a website already, you can go to my preferred hosting provider right there and register a website. Some affiliate networks won't even accept you if you don't have your own website, such as Amazon. Amazon wants to see you have your own website. Now, another way, if you don't have your own website, you can do is submit one of, if you have a YouTube channel, or if you have a Facebook page, or if you have a Twitter that has some followers on it, you can submit that as your website that you are going to be promoting on. I highly suggest to get a website. It's just going to increase your chances of success when applying to all of the various affiliate networks that you may want to join. Another tip you can use, tip number 38, is that you could say you're working with me and you're a student of mine and using my methods. This will show that you're not just some, random guy or girl with, stars in his eyes looking to get into affiliate marketing. It shows that you're learning from somebody who actually knows what they're doing. And many of my students have gone on to become very successful working with these affiliate networks. And many affiliate networks want students of mine who are actually learning from my methods and using them because my methods work and produce real traffic. The next tip I would suggest is to add people. Add some of the people who work for the company on LinkedIn. Now, I've done this. I do this with all types of business. I find this increases response rates quite dramatically no matter what you're doing. An example of how I'd go about this is if I was trying to join Max Bounty, I would go on Max Bounty. I actually had to do this. And I would just start adding some of the people that work for Max Bounty. So we have a couple affiliate managers here at Max Bounty, and I would just, connect and add a note that says, hey, I just applied for your affiliate network. Really stoked to test out some of your offers. I'm doing pop traffic for mobile game apps and stuff. That's an example of a message I might send. What's nice about this is I'm showing them I know some of the lingo. I'm being friendly, I'm being positive, and I'm not being needy. I'm not asking them anything. I'm not being needy. Neediness is a big turnoff for relationships, for anything. I'm showing you some of the lingo, right? Pop traffic, mobile game offers, etc. That would be an example of how I'd go about things. And you can see there's a lot of people that work for Max Bounty that you can add. You don't need to add everybody. Obviously, that might be a little overkill, but you could add a few people and see if that helps you get accepted to a particular affiliate network. Now, if an affiliate network asks you where you heard of their company, you could say you were referred, or you could kind of cite me, use my name as a reason how you heard about them, so they know you're not just coming out of the blue. If you're looking for affiliate networks, join my groups. I would highly suggest you join. My Discord group can be found through the links in the description. As you see, there's about 70 people online right now. We have thousands of members, and we have discussion areas over here on this side, which are really all the different types of things you'd want to know about for making money online. We have sections for affiliate marketing, for e-commerce, Amazon FBA, making money from apps. And you can ask folks, what affiliate networks do you suggest I recommend, whatever you're looking to promote. There's a lot of different ways to make money online. There are a lot of affiliate networks, and asking people's opinions in the group. Maybe you'll even get referrals into some other kind of unknown networks that are highly profitable. Who knows? And a few final suggestions is when you get into an affiliate network, walk before you talk. Don't go in, get accepted, and just start emailing and Skyping and Telegramming your affiliate manager every question under the sun. Because again, you'll likely get kicked out of the network if you're not sending any traffic. Okay? Because again, affiliate managers don't want to waste their time. They're people, they have lives, and they're commission-based. I would send traffic before you start asking questions. And if you don't know how to send traffic, check out my free traffic videos. I have a lot of free traffic videos. There are a lot of ways to get traffic without spending any money. I show all the methods, so check those out. Another thing to keep in mind is until you are making $10,000 a month with affiliate networks, you shouldn't be really asking your affiliate managers to do work for you. But once you start making $10,000 a month, you can start leveraging your affiliate managers to do things for you, whether that's to send you ads or to give you access to softwares or spy tools or stuff like that, giving you landing pages. Your affiliate managers will help you out a ton once you get to the point where you're making $10,000 a month, because again, that means they are making probably about $1,000 a month from your traffic too. So they'll be able to help you out more if you're sending traffic, if you're making sales. Hope this video helped you out and shed some light on how to get accepted to affiliate networks, some best practices. I also suggest if you're looking on starting your own affiliate marketing business, make sure you subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel. I go over daily videos on how to do affiliate marketing and other marketing stuff. Also, make sure you hit the notification button. We have live question and answer sessions every Monday. I will answer your questions live and related to affiliate marketing. You see, every Monday I'm coming out with a live stream. And I also highly recommend you join our Discord forum. As always, again, this is free. This is a great way to network with folks. I suggest you give value, you respond to 3 other people's posts and offer feedback before you ask one question of your own. Okay, so give value before you ask for value in return, and life will treat you much better if you go about things that way, and you will get a lot better feedback. You'll get a lot more help if you help out versus just asking the world to give you things. Again, this is a capitalistic community. This is not a community for handouts. I get a lot of messages every day of people begging me for money or for mentorship for free and all that stuff. I don't deal with any of it because those sorts of people are not capitalists. They're communists, and I don't allow communists on my channel. We got rid of them, I think, 30 years ago, I thought. So don't be a communist, be a capitalist, and life will treat you much better. Thanks for watching. Join the forum. Watch our free traffic videos, and looking forward to helping you out more in the future. See you soon. Bye.